Hey, babe! I need to try these lashes on you.
What?
So I got these magnetic eyelashes from the TikTok shop, and they're by Wasato. I don't usually wear lashes because mine are pretty long already, and because I don't like fussing around with all of the glue and everything. So I feel like magnetic lashes would actually be pretty fun. So let's go ahead and figure these out. Also, the packaging on this, gorgeous. Pinch the sides, pull it out. Clip head up close and slide forward. Okay. Well, here's this. I already have mascara on, so oh. Okay, wait. Oh, I'm struggling. Okay. Wait. Is there, okay, this one's for the left. How does this work? Is this just like normal lashes and I need glue? Pause. Guys, I'm done. It's 2 strips in 1. So you have to like pull it apart. Okay. Am I doing this right? Okay. We have something. That's not right. That's not right. There we go. That also is not right, Adrianne. Oh my goodness. This is okay. I think we finally have something here. Okay. Left eye. Did it do something? Wait, it's on my eye. Wait, okay, I have a mirror. Wait. It did not do anything because there's one right here. Okay. I think this is just user error. Okay, wait. We're gonna figure this out off camera. We've got one on. So for some reason, this one doesn't want to go on to this eye, but I have this one on. And it's not bad, but it's also not like the greatest. But I also have mascara on, so I'm gonna call my husband up and use him as a model because he's not wearing mascara. Let's call him. Hey, babe! I need you in the video.
Why?
Because I need to try these lashes on you.
What? You
because
woke
I'm
me
not,
up
yeah,
from
because
my nap to go
you
do
were
this.
not napping. Come here. Look at this, my beautiful model. Show the people your eyelashes. Open your eyes. I need your eyes open. This is the one that I had trouble with because it wouldn't go onto mine, and my theory is because I have mascara or because I have thick lashes already.
My eye.
There we go. Ah, you're
How
so
are
beautiful.
people walking around like this? This is so silly.
Okay, wait. Show the people. You have to get them for me, babe. Wow, it's actually, they work.
It's very uncomfortable.
Okay, well, you're a guy, you don't really. Chin up, like to the side. Now get super close, we want to see those lashes. You see, they're not really like connected on there, but again, that could just be user error. He's so beautiful, look at Okay, we can take these off now.
I need a mascara deal now.
They work. And magnetic lashes.
Magnetic?
Yeah. What do you think?
I have no opinion on this.
My opinion, I think traditional lashes are better. These, I mean, they're cute. They're really cute. They'd be really nice, like cutesy little lashes, but they also don't cover like the whole, like they would only cover this part. See, like that would be cute, right? If it actually sat on lash line, but these don't sit on the lash line. So, is it worth your money? That's up to you. If you have very sparse lashes, I think these would be okay. But then again, the magnets need lashes to hold on to, but not too many lashes, as we learned with me, because then they just won't connect. Do with that what you will.